Mobile AI chips, beginner level, introduction. Mobile AI chips are specialized processors inside smartphones and portable devices that are designed to run AI tasks efficiently on the device itself. Modern smartphones are not just communication devices, they are AI-powered systems that can recognize faces, understand voice commands, enhance photos, translate languages, recommend content. These capabilities are powered by mobile AI chips such as NPUs, neural processing units, AI accelerators, integrated GPU, CPU AI units. Examples include Face Unlock, Camera AI, Portrait Night Mode, Voice Assistance, Real-Time Translation. This topic helps beginners understand how AI runs directly on mobile devices. What are mobile AI chips? Mobile AI chips are processors designed to run AI models efficiently inside smartphones and edge devices. In simple words, mobile AI chips equals hardware that brings AI into your phone. Key idea: instead of sending data to cloud, mobile AI chips. K. Process data locally. K. Reduce latency. K. Improve privacy. K. Save bandwidth. Components of mobile AI chips. Component purpose: CPU, general processing; GPU, graphics and parallel tasks; NPU, AI-specific processing; DSP, signal processing; memory, store data and models. Example of mobile AI data: image equals selfie.jpg, voice equals hello. Example of on-device processing: if image, print processing image locally. Simple mobile AI example: Python, def recognize face image, return face recognized, print recognize face image. How mobile AI chips work. Step 1. Capture input. Input data equals camera image. Step 2. Run AI model. Print, running AI model on device. Step 3. Process quickly. Result equals object detected. Step 4. Output result. Print result. Step 5. Act in real time. Print action completed instantly. Smartphone cameras. Scene equals night. Print. Enhancing image using AI. AI in face recognition. Face equals detected. If face. Print. Unlock device. AI in voice assistance command equals play music. Print. Processing voice command. AI in real-time translation text equals hello. Print. Translating text. AI in battery optimization usage equals high. Print. Optimizing battery. Popular mobile AI chips. Mobile AI chips are developed by companies like Apple, Neural Engine; Qualcomm, Snapdragon AI Engine; MediaTek, APU; Samsung, Exynos AI. Mobile AI chips versus cloud AI feature. Mobile AI chips, cloud AI speed. Instant. Depends on internet. Privacy. High. Lower power limited. High use case. Real-time tasks. Large-scale processing. Full menu-based. Example, def process image. Print. Image processed on device. Def recognize voice. Print. Voice recognized. Def. Optimize battery. Print. Battery optimized. While true. Print. N1. Process image. Print. 2. Recognize voice. Print. 3. Optimize battery. Print. 4. Exit. Choice equals input choice. If choice equals 1. Process image. Elif choice equals 2. Recognize voice. Elif choice equals 3. Optimize battery. Elif choice equals 4. Break. Invalid choice. Check. Edge AI. Check. On-device processing. Check. Real-time AI. Check. AI hardware integration. Check. Mobile computing. Check. Energy-efficient AI. Real-life analogy. Mobile AI chips are like a mini AI brain inside your phone. Fast, private, always available. Ways to improve a project. Use TensorFlow Lite. Optimize models for mobile. Build real-time apps. Use mobile AI APIs. Reduce model size. Test performance. Use OnNX runtime. Explore hardware acceleration. Common mistakes beginners make. Using heavy models on mobile. ignoring latency, not optimizing for power, overusing cloud, poor memory management. Where it is used: smartphones, wearables, IoT devices, smart cameras, AR/VR systems, healthcare devices, smart homes, automotive systems. Large systems may include mobile AI platforms, edge AI systems, embedded AI devices, real-time processing systems. Mobile AI chips, specialized processors that run AI tasks efficiently on mobile devices. Final summary: mobile AI chips enable: check, real-time AI, on-device processing, better privacy, efficient performance. They are essential for modern smart devices and edge AI systems.